Hey guys, welcome back to Dude, We Can Fix It. Today, I'm going to show you how to change out your vacuum switching valve or your VSV on this 1998 Toyota Camry. This valve, when it goes out, can cause a number of EGR related issues and also codes P0401, P0441, and P0446. So if you're having these codes and you diagnose it down to your vacuum switching valve, I will show you how to replace that now.
Start it up.
So now from the passenger side, you can look in here and you can see the vacuum switching valve right there. So I just reached in and unplugged the electrical connector and pulled that vacuum hose off of this side. Now there is one bolt holding it on, and then I'll get it out over here through this side. All right, so you need a 12mm socket with a 6-inch extension and a ratchet. Set it on there. You only get a slight range of motion, but you can do it. So this is how your tool setup will look like. You can reach around with your left hand to hold the socket steady while you take it loose. All right, once you get the old part out, that's the connector that you could see. Let's see, it went in like this. All right, so this is the connector that you undid. That is the vacuum hose. Then there's another vacuum hose on the other side. So when you get this loose, you grab it with your left hand, bring it around this way, disconnect that hose, and then you can pull it out. When you go to put it back in, put this hose on first, set it in place, put your bolt through, and hook up this connector and this vacuum hose. And you can do all of this from your passenger tire well. All right, guys. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And as always, dude, we can fix it.
Start it up.